How to make your Snapchat account from public account to a private account. For that, simply open your Snapchat application. Now to do this, first of all tap on your Bitmoji or profile. Then look for the public profile icon and tap on it. After that, tap on the setting or gear icon at the top right corner. Then scroll down to the very end and tap on clear or delete public profile and tap on clear. Confirm the deletion. Note that this will not delete your account or friends, it only hides your public facing page. Then simply go back to your profile, tap on the Bitmoji again and tap on the settings. Now simply scroll down to the privacy control section. Then tap on the contact me page and change the status from everyone to my friends only or my friends and contacts only. Then head back and tap on view my story, and this also put it on friends only, and then hit on see me in find friends and make sure to toggle this icon off so that no one will be able to find you in the quick add menu. And go to the activator indicator and toggle the activity indicator option off, and in this way you can easily set your account to your private. Because Snapchat does not have a single private mode, switch instead you must turn off public features individually just like we did. And that's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.